Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Start your digital marketing journey today with these essential tips. First, define your target audience to tailor your strategies effectively and understand the audience you want to reach with your marketing efforts. Next, optimize your website for search engines to drive organic traffic. Find and utilize keywords in your industry and create valuable content to improve your search engine rankings. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Create compelling content and leverage paid advertising to reach a wider audience and engage with them. Email marketing is also crucial. Build an email list, segment your subscribers into categories, and deliver personalized content to drive conversions and build customer relationships. Lastly, track your progress. Use analytics tools to measure the success of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategies. Start your digital marketing journey today and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.